It's the interesting Audi stuff. Doesn't mean run away, it means run around the other side. So what we're doing today is we are going to pull the stereo. So put the keys in. I wasn't recording, but so you get these keys. They're only about $6 on eBay or something like that, or $7. So you put them in here to click. I put the flat bits on the outside, and you should be able to just pull this stereo out so it comes out. And the reason why I want to replace this is because it doesn't have Bluetooth, and it yeah, I've got a Bluetooth adapter on it, but I want to be able to put it in with everything else. Yeah, interesting. So on the back here we have the antenna. You can't really see it, but yeah. So we've got the antenna plus that's the antenna, speakers and power. Let's grab the other one. Actually no, let's disconnect this one first. Come out, no. Come on. There's the antenna. There's that little green one. Come on. Is that held in? Looks like it's a big module. There we go. Yeah, that whole thing just comes out like that, and we've got yes, that's that big unit there. There's the antenna, and we've got the whole thing out. So it looks pretty special. Let's have a look at what we're replacing it with then. So here we have all the stereo goodness, which came again from eBay. And with a reversing camera, which I'm now thinking about putting on. So let's get all of our cables out. Okay, so this is what I was concerned about before. So there's two harnesses with it. GPS antenna, don't worry too much about that. That's the camera, don't worry about that. And these are auxiliaries in, and subwoofer and all that sort of stuff. USB. USB, then the head end itself, which takes the place of, just want to check to see if it fits. Yeah, it does. So it takes the place there. So we have factory looking things here plugged into there. Aussies here are the size of freaking birds. That one goes in there. Don't bite me. That's the only problem about working outside, don't really have much choice. Okay. So, God, I'm getting eaten. send in. So that will go in there. So that's the thing, I don't know what that one was. Anyway, maybe from now. So the antenna. That one go on that side. Plugs into the antenna here. Jeez. It is. I can get to that from the dash car. Not really. I can see some light there. There's a gap in there. So the problem with this one, it's going to clip in but never come out again. There's no slot to put your keys into. GPS. Put a USB on it. That's that one. Okay, there's one. The camera. And that way, yeah. Camera goes in here. Another USB. Manner of flying things ready to attack me this afternoon. Come on, go in. There we go. And this one with the external microphone goes in that way, sorry. That's it. GPS antenna. Doesn't need to go very far. That just screws in here. Come on, go on. Here we go. Okay, so this is what we have. Put that down there. Let's turn the car on, see what we get. Cool. File. Okay, so let's go home. So we've got Chrome, video, YouTube, music. It's tuned in to 87.5. Volume out of this at all. Alright, let's go back. Just found something. There's our volume. Don't have any volume. Alright, let me look at this and I'll go back to you. After a fair bit of jiggery pokery, I worked out what's going on. So there the speaker was, because I turned it on and it wasn't getting any sound. And I thought, what is causing that? And then reading the instructions, I paused. It does say that there's 2 wiring settings for it. So what I realised is that out of the factory harness, all those bits and pieces are going there, whereas nothing on this side. Then I had a look at the colour codes for the wiring and then the speakers. So I unplugged that one, which looked like to have similar wiring, and then the speakers for the car. So I need to look at how I'm going to get those to work with those, because the thing powers on, just there's no sound. Even it powers on now without even being plugged in. I'll double check that again. Hang on. I'll put that aircon on too. It's bloody boiling here at the moment. Okay, so we've got all power and all those sorts of things. And it'll CarPlay into it wirelessly, which is awesome. It's just no sound. So it's going to fit, it's going to physically fit, it's going to look good, but I just need to work out what I'm going to do there. Do I really want to, yeah, okay, there's the wireless CarPlay just come on. That killed the video. But yeah, so CarPlay's working. But there is no sound. That is where the speakers go out. That is where they need to go into the unit. Just got to work out whether or not I really want to cut up a factory wiring harness. Not that this thing will ever come out again. I mean, that thing's like the arc. I can cut it back there, and then I need to cut those. See if I can get an adapter that goes from there to there. I think it's the best thing to do. Anyway, part 1 of the stereo installation is over, and ended up being a bit of a fail for now, but at least we know what the problem is after stuffing around with it for a little while. It comes with another wiring harnessy doobie dacky thing, but I think that's for a different setup. Yeah, I need to get another plug like that one. If I can get an adapter that goes from that to a plug like that, that's all happy days. Let's go and have a look and see if I can do that.